Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Post discussing about 20 years of BrahMos in one of my videos, this video would provide one more strong place for India in the case of intercontinental ballistic missile. You can find the link to the 20 years of BrahMos video in the top right I button or in the details section of this particular video. Before getting into much details, first let's understand what actually is an intercontinental ballistic missile using a small definition. An intercontinental ballistic missile is a missile with minimum range of 5,500 kilometers, which is primarily designed for delivering one or more nuclear warheads. The reason behind mentioning that India has one more strong position is due to the place it got in the list of countries that have operational intercontinental ballistic missiles. The countries in the list apart from India are Russia, United States, China, France, United Kingdom, and North Korea. This video will provide vital details about the Agni 5 nuclear-capable intercontinental ballistic missile, which is developed by the Defence Research and Development Organization of India. The Agni missile is a family of medium to intercontinental range ballistic missiles developed by India. This family comprises of following variants: the Agni 1, which has a range of 700 to 1200 km, Agni 2, which has a range of 2000 to 3500 km, Agni 3, which has a range of 3000 to 5000 km, Agni 4, which has a range of 3500 to 4000 km, Agni 5, which has a range of 5000 to 8000 km, and Agni 6, which is in development stage, has a range of 11,000 to 12,000 km. Agni 5 was successfully test-fired for the first time during April 2012 from Wheeler Island off the coast of Orissa. It was launched from the Launch Complex 4 of the Integrated Test Range using a rail mobile launcher. Agni 5 is a 3-stage solid-fueled and canister launch missile system which is transported by a truck. The launch platform is a 8x8 Tatra transporter erector launcher. The canisters are made using Maraging steel, which provides an airtight atmosphere that preserves the missile for many years. If we quickly understand the propulsion of Agni 5 missile, Agni 5 is powered by 3 solid-fuel engines and it uses a composite case solid rocket motor for the third stage. The first stage engine propels the missile up to 40 km in height, while the second and third stages lever it to 150 km and 300 km high respectively. The missile then finally reaches 800 km and re-enters the Earth's atmosphere to fly towards the target. Coming to the guidance and control details, Agni 5 uses a ring laser gyroscope-based inertial navigation system to reach its target. Not just that, Agni 5 is also equipped with another guidance system called Micro Inertial Navigation System, which is a backup, and these are capable of interacting with Indian and non-Indian satellite navigation systems. Each warhead can be assigned to engage different targets located hundreds of kilometers away from each other, and not just that, 2 or more warheads can also be assigned to a single target for better strike impact. If we see the other general characteristics of this missile, the 49,000 kg Agni 5 missile is of 17.5 meters length and it has a diameter of 2.0 meters. If we see the variety of warheads, they are conventional high explosive unitary, cluster munitions, incendiary weapons, thermobaric and strategic nuclear weapons. So that was a quick update on the Agni 5 intercontinental ballistic missile, and we also saw quick details about its history and characteristics. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.